Welcome to 17 minutes of learning about garbage trucks.
Wow!
Brought to you by Hungry Squishy Brain.
Here is a waste collection facility. The garbage trucks enter this building and then back up and reverse up to this railing. And this part drops down lower so that the waste can be dumped down from this platform. Down below, there are bulldozers that push the waste out of the building to be loaded onto large trucks to haul away. So here is a garbage truck. It has entered the building and is backing up in reverse to the platform. Did you hear that beeping sound? Do you know what that was for? When large trucks back up in reverse, they let out a loud beeping sound, which is a warning to anybody standing behind the truck to get out of the way, because a large truck is backing up. Can you tell what type of garbage truck this is? Is there a rear loading area with a hopper? No, not on this garbage truck. Is there front loading arms and forks that are used for a front loader garbage truck? No, not on this garbage truck. So then what type of garbage truck is this one? Well, you are looking at what's called the street side of this truck. This side that you see faces the street. So then what is on what's called the curb side of this garbage truck? On the other side of this garbage truck is closest to the curb when it's driving on its route, so the other side of this garbage truck is called the curb side. And what is on the curb side of this garbage truck? That's right, there is a grabber. You just can't see the grabber from this angle. So then what is a garbage truck called with a grabber on the side? That's right, this garbage truck is called a side loader. Now let's see how the side loader garbage truck dumps out its waste, which is called its payload. The driver positions the rear of the garbage truck over the railing. The rear area of the garbage truck is called the tailgate, because as you now see here, this rear area lifts up. And immediately, a lot of waste material falls out of the back opening. And then look how high up the tailgate goes, that is really high up. And lifting up this heavy tailgate are two hydraulic cylinders. Here and here. And there is still a lot of waste packed inside this container. So how does all of the waste get dumped out? Inside the back of the container is a large steel plate, called a packer panel, and the packer panel is attached to two large hydraulic telescopic cylinders, and these hydraulic cylinders are so powerful that they push the packer panel to the back of the garbage truck. And this pushes out all of the waste. How amazing is that? Then the operator closes the tailgate and drives away. Here is a side loader. This is the arm. And this is the grabber. Look how far out the grabber can reach. And this particular arm rotates up and down to empty out the trash carts. Here is another side loader. This one is the color red. Here is a blue trash cart that this side loader will pick up and empty. The blue trash carts are for items to be recycled. This is the arm. And this is the grabber. And here is the hopper. The driver of the garbage truck moves the arm and grabber into position next to the trash cart, and then the driver, using the hand controls inside the cab, moves the arm forward and makes the grabber grab a hold of the trash cart. Then the driver moves the arm closer to the body of the garbage truck. And then the powerful arm lifts up the trash cart. And then the arm rotates so that the trash cart is emptied out into the hopper. And that is how the cider loader empties out the trash carts with a rotating arm. Here comes another garbage truck. Do you remember what type of garbage truck is called? The two large arms are in the front, and these two blades are called forks. So this garbage truck is called a front loader. And the arms and forks are lowered down by the operator in the cab. And then the heavy dumpster is lifted up by the power of hydraulics. And look here, this dumpster has 4 wheels on it, so that the operator can push the dumpster into the correct position for the garbage truck to lift it up high. And up the dumpster goes. And once the dumpster is all the way up, it's at an angle so that all the waste inside can fall out into the hopper of the garbage truck. This area here is called the hopper. And the waste is pushed to this back area by a steel plate, and this back area is called the container. What are these? This is a dumpster. And there are 2 dumpsters, 1 and 2. Here comes the garbage truck to empty out the dumpsters. What type of garbage truck is this one? This is a front loader, because this garbage truck has arms here and forks here, and they are in the front of the truck. Now the truck moves forward and engages the forks with the first dumpster. And the forks and arms are so powerful, they lift up the large dumpster filled with waste and dump it out into the hopper of the dump truck. This area is called the hopper. Here is another front loader garbage truck. But there is something attached to the front of it, here. Do you know what this part is called? This front part is called a carry can, and this is what lets the front loader garbage truck service residential neighborhoods. Because in neighborhoods, these are used at each home, and these are called trash carts. On the side here is what grabs the trash carts. And so this part is called the grabber, and each long part here is called a finger. And as the grabber's name implies, it reaches out and grabs the trash carts, like this. Then the grabber lifts up the trash cart, like this. And the trash cart is emptied out into the carry can. Once the carry can is full, then the operator lifts up the can with the powerful arms and forks, like this, and the carry can is emptied out inside the hopper. Do you know what type of garbage truck this one is? This is a side loader, because this garbage truck lifts up these trash bins from the side of the truck. This is called the grabber, and it grabs a hold of the trash bins and lifts the trash bins up along this track here, and dumps it into the hopper. And this part is called the hopper. Here is a rear loader, but this one is different. This rear loader is on a pickup truck chassis. This part is the chassis. Because this rear loader is on a smaller pickup truck, this container capacity is smaller. Another thing to look at to see that this is a smaller garbage truck is to look at the rear wheels. Here you see only one set of rear wheels on this pickup truck. That means this chassis can only carry less weight than larger garbage trucks. Here is a larger rear loader garbage truck. Notice how this larger truck has 2 sets of rear wheels, here and here. And this is where an extra person can stand at the tailgate, while this truck is driving between pickup locations. There is a platform here, and 2 handles, here and here. And the extra person can stand here only while the truck is driving under a certain slow speed. This is the cab. This is the container where all of the waste is held. And this is the tailgate. Here is another rear loader. This one also has 2 sets of rear wheels in the back. And since there are 2 wheels here, and then 2 wheels here on the driver's side, and another 2 wheels on the driver's side, and 2 wheels up front, then this truck has a total of 10 wheels, and that is a lot of wheels. And this operator is tossing full garbage bags into the back of the hopper. This is the hopper here. And this is the swing blade, which is what scoops up the waste from the hopper and pushes the waste into the container. If you look here and here, you'll see these are trash cart tippers. And these are used to, you guessed it, to tip up the trash carts with hydraulics so that the operators do not have to lift any heavy carts. And the trash cart tippers then tip the carts up high so that all the contents of the carts is dumped out into the hopper. Here is another rear loader. And here is a dumpster. This rear loader will tip this large dumpster with two large and powerful hooks. The operator pushes the dumpster up close to the hopper and flips open the two lids, which you see here. Look here. This is a metal rod sticking out the side of the dumpster. And wait for what it's used for. The operator pulls a lever, and two large and powerful hooks appear. Here, there is one on each side of the hopper. Then the hooks turn upward and hook around the metal rods on the dumpster. And now you can see the dumpster is tilting upwards, from the two hooks and from this tilt bar down here as well. And up the cart goes. And look how the tilt bar, here, is holding the dumpster upside down. And after the dumpster is empty, the operator lowers the tilt bar and hooks, and the dumpster goes back down to the ground, and the dumpster is now empty, and then the operator closes the two lids, and pushes the cart back to where it was. Here is another rear loader. Can you tell what is different about this one? Look at the tailgate here. This rear loader garbage truck has two hoppers and two containers. This is called a split body rear loader, because the body is split into two separate hoppers and containers. This way, two types of waste can be picked up at the same time, such as garbage and recyclables or organic waste and recyclables. Here is a rear loader, and what is different about this one? This rear loader garbage truck has two cart tippers. Here and here. And the waste carts hook onto these paddles, and the paddles tilt up, to dump out the carts without a person having to lift up the very heavy full carts. Here is a cart tipper showing two trash carts ready to be lifted up. And here are the two trash carts lifted up by the two cart tippers. This is how the carts get emptied out into the hopper using cart tippers. Let's now test your knowledge. What type of garbage truck is this one? This garbage truck has forks in the front, so this garbage truck is called a front loader. What type of garbage truck is this one? This garbage truck has a grabber on its right side, so this garbage truck is called a side loader. What type of garbage truck is this one? Does this garbage truck have forks or arms in the front? No, it does not. Does this garbage truck have a hopper in the back? No, it does not. Does this garbage truck have a grabber on the side? Well, with our view of this garbage truck we cannot see the curb side of the truck, which is the other side that we can't see. But on the curb side of this truck, there is a grabber. So this garbage truck is called a side loader. What type of garbage truck is this one? This garbage truck has forks in the front, so this garbage truck is called a front loader. Now let's play fill in the blank. This sentence reads, "This is a blank loader garbage truck." And now you say what goes in the blank with the word that is missing. This is a blank loader garbage truck. So what type of garbage truck is this one? This is a front loader garbage truck. This is a blank loader garbage truck. So what type of garbage truck is this one? This is a rear loader garbage truck. This is a blank loader garbage truck. So what type of garbage truck is this one? This is a rear loader garbage truck. This is a blank loader garbage truck. So what type of garbage truck is this one? This is a rear loader garbage truck. This is a blank loader garbage truck. So what type of garbage truck is this one? This is a rear loader garbage truck. This is a blank loader garbage truck. So what type of garbage truck is this one? This is a side loader garbage truck. This is a blank loader garbage truck. So what type of garbage truck is this one? This is a side loader garbage truck. This is a blank loader garbage truck. So what type of garbage truck is this one? This is a side loader garbage truck. This is a blank loader garbage truck. So what type of garbage truck is this one? This is a side loader garbage truck. This is a blank loader garbage truck. So what type of garbage truck is this one? This is a rear loader garbage truck. We hope you have learned a lot from this video. Please hit like and subscribe, that helps a lot. And thank you for watching.
Hungry Squishy Brain.